12 incredibly simple secrets to a happy relationship. There are couples that look so great together. Their spiritual kinship, mutual respect, and tenderness are so obvious. Partners who have found the key to success in a relationship are like a good wine. Over time their love becomes only stronger, more exciting, and every day is like a new one full of fresh emotions and feelings. Relationship advice for men reveals to you the simple secrets of such couples in a list of useful tips that will bring harmony into a relationship. Number 1. Be yourself, be honest. We all want to be better than we really are. We conceal our mistakes and those stories we'd like to forget. But there's no need to try to be perfect. Just be yourself. Many of us hide behind masks, afraid to show people who we really are. But firstly, this is wearisome. Secondly, it won't lead to an honest and uncomplicated relationship. It's very important to be sincere. Don't be afraid to show your partner what you feel. They are the person you are closest to. If you have any worries or something's wrong, just say it. No one can read your mind. The first step to the solution of the problem is to talk about it. Number 2. Stay positive. Cheerful people always bring happiness and positive emotions. Everyone wants to have such people in their lives. On the contrary, constant discontent, complaints, and nagging lead to negative emotions, killing the mood and ruining people's relationships. Stay positive, and don't let your partner feel down. Be optimistic, because whatever happens doesn't matter as long as you have each other. You can make a joke about your failures, have a laugh together, draw conclusions, and move on. Number 3. Be thoughtful and support each other. Everyone has bad days that kill the mood and lower their self-esteem. Let your partner feel your support. Show that you care. It's not so difficult, and your other half will feel much better. Also pay attention to the wants and needs of your partner. You should admit that your beloved is not your reflection or your property. Respect your partner's wants no matter how different they are from your own. Number 4. Demonstrate your love. It's very important to remind your significant other how much you appreciate everything she does for you. Be grateful even for the smallest things. Don't take anything for granted, and tell your other half that you treasure every single thing in your relationship. Show how much you need your partner. Don't hesitate to demonstrate your love and care, because it's essential for building a strong and deep connection between the two of you. Let your partner feel how special she is to you as much as possible. Number 5. Give each other space. Two people can't be together 24/7. Don't stand in the way of your partner's hobbies, and don't give up yours. You fell in love with your partner the way she was, and your beloved fell in love with you and accepted all your hobbies and habits. Making sacrifices is pointless, as no one will appreciate this. Your partner doesn't need your sacrifices and doesn't want to hear your reproaches. Just be happy together. Both of you should bring new and exciting things into your relationship, not ruin what you already have. Number 6. Respect each other. It's important to respect the opinion and decisions of your beloved, even if you disagree with them. You should also respect your partner's friends and family. Respect creates trust in a relationship. Don't forget about respect, even when you're having a fight. Quite often, quarrels are followed by recriminations. Be careful with words. You'll simmer down, but you won't be able to take your insults back. It doesn't matter how sorry you are afterwards, your sharp words will leave a scar on your partner's heart. Number 7. Don't let jealousy in. Try not to be jealous, because this shows that you admit your insecurities and your fear of being abandoned. There's no need to drive your partner crazy with your jealousy. Your mistrust hurts the feeling of your loved one. You push your partner toward what you're so afraid of. And what if your significant other is jealous of you? Try to calm him, her down. Let your partner know how much you love him, her. Try to carefully make an innocent joke about her fears. Let your partner see the absurdity of all the worries. Don't let jealousy ruin your relationship. Number 8. Don't try to change each other. Love and accept each other the way you are. Accept her features and habits, because these little things make your partner unique. It's pointless to be offended by these features. But if it's a bad habit and quitting it will be only beneficial, then just discuss this matter with your partner without any arguments. Forgive each other's flaws. Don't reproach your partner, and pay attention to the positive personality traits of your loved one. Feel free to give compliments. Number 9. Create memories together. There's nothing that will make you closer than creating memories together. Traveling, dance classes, snorkeling, competitions. Do what you find exciting and fun together more often. Fill your life with something bright and cool. Watching TV together will hardly become a happy memory for the two of you. Number 10. Turn your lives into a fairy tale. Surprise your partner with lovely little things. Try to bring something new into your relationship as often as possible. Surprises, nice little presents, cute notes, unexpected romantic evenings. Make your partner happy, and create your own romantic fairy tale. Number 11. Spend time with your loved one. Don't get distracted when you spend time with your partner. Work and daily concerns take up too much time. Therefore, when you and your other half spend time together, turn off the TV, put away your cell phones, and enjoy your special private moments. Also demonstrate your love during the day even if you are far away from each other. Your busy schedule shouldn't be a barrier between the two of you. When you have a couple of free minutes, just text something nice to your partner. It's not so difficult. Number 12. Dream together. Set your goals together. Think what you'd like to achieve in 5, 10, or 20 years. Don't set goals based on the common understanding of happiness and success. The main thing for you is what makes only you and your beloved really happy. 12 incredibly simple secrets to a happy relationship. There are couples that look so great together.